Nice of you to drop in.
Alrighty, YouTubers, happy Friday. Happy Good Friday to everybody. March the 30th. We made it. It is a weekend. Easter holiday coming. The bunny's here. We have an Amazon unboxing to do. Not sure where this is coming from, but it's a big old box. Kind of excited about this. Pretty heavy, too. So, we'll see what's inside. Of course, the links are going to be down below where you guys could purchase. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, where you guys could purchase one of these at a good cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Ooh, here comes a cut. Found my scissors. Oh yeah, it is a good day. There we go. Hey. Oh boy, I don't wanna. Almost got it. Cut. A few more cuts. Oh, jeez. Oh, you guys almost fell. Oh, man. I gotta slow down a little bit. But hopefully you guys are alright. Everybody is safe. I probably said that already, but it's been a long day. Trying to get everything done for the holiday. There we go. Nice job packaging, though. Oh boy, this thing's huge. What is this? Oh, a little beat up here, though. Bam! As seen on TV. Gotham steel. Whoa. Non-sticking aluminum cookware. Non-stick titanium, copper, ceramic. Stronger than ever. No oil, no butter. Whoa, includes 8.5 fry pan, 10.5, 10.25 fry pan with lid. Quart sauce pan with lid. 5-piece set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Oven safe. Dishwasher safe. Non-sticking. I might have to make a famous chili grilled cheese sandwich. Test this out on. I just started making that, and actually it's pretty good. I'll show you how it's done. Alright, let's get inside. Raise you guys up a little at eye level. Oh man, how do I open this? Pull tab, bada boom. Oh man, awesome stuff. Here we go. So thank you guys that got some steel. Kind of like Batman. Got them. Oh man, I got it jammed in here pretty good. Let me pull this out one by one. Hoorah! There we go. All right, we got into it. Into the main artery. Almost. Oh, man. Mother. I got it. This is good. This is something I needed for sure. Man, got one out. Got number 2. Oh man. And number 3. Now we got 2 lids, so that counts as 5. 4. And number 5. Johnny 5 is staying alive. Oh man. I made a mess out of this. Whoop. It's all good though. Sweet. I think I got everything out of here. Alright, YouTubers, you guys get one of these at a low cost. Like I said, just click the links down below. Check them out on Amazon Prime. Get it fast shipping. Great for birthday, housewarming gifts, bridal showers, birthdays, every other day. And just because there's some of your chefs out there, this would be a nice one to have in your kitchen. Nice color also. I'm liking the color. Nice. Alright. Just you guys, there we go. We got the bling bling to it. Every time I come open this one up, handles are pretty good. Oh man. Rip it. There we go. Here we go. There we go. Last one. And then I'll be in the kitchen cooking up something in a minute. So, let you guys see how it works. Ooh. Bada boom. There it is. Gotham steel. Got a nice bottom to it. There's the inside. So I'll make my grilled cheese off of this. Should fit a nice little size sandwich. Do demo. And this could be for the chili sauce, spaghetti, noodles, pretty much. Nice design. Nice handle. Could whack somebody with it. Got the Gotham Steel logo right there. Gotham Steel. This is awesome. So thank you guys. There it is. Focus. Boom. And there's a mini frying pan. Made for some omelets. Oh yeah. There's a Gotham Steel. Handle's pretty, like I said, solid. Solid steel. Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to be in the kitchen in about 2 seconds. See ya. Alrighty, here we go. I gotta add some butter just for my grilled cheese. Fan out a little bit. There we go. Put the bread down. Should fit somewhat. Maybe I should have got a little bit bigger. Got my chili. Add that right to that right here. Spread it around a little bit. Get the cheese. Cheese down. These are 2 slices. There we go. And this is supposed to be easy to clean, dishwasher friendly, and easy cooking. Let's see how this works. Get a plate. Let's mess up. A few seconds. There we go. Turn a nice color. Give me one. It's really nice. Do a little flip. Oh yeah. Look at that. Bada boom. Almost done. Like I said, just add a little chili to it. Oh man, some good cooking right here. Definitely nice. So thank you guys at Gotham Steel for sending me these Keflons. All copper. Bada boom. It does get a little hot towards here, but pretty cool up here. Got the flame. Look at that. Boom. This is nice. I'm liking this. There we go. Bada boom. There it is, grilled chili cheese. Try it out for you guys yourself. Easy to do. Pretty tasty. Boom. Alright, check them out, YouTubers. Gotham Steel on Amazon Prime. Have a good weekend and be safe. See ya.